So I'm pretty pumped because tonight we're gonna be making kimchi fried rice. It's one of my favorite recipes from Gwyneth Paltrow. There's obviously kimchi in it, which has got the cabbage, radish, it has garlic. It all comes together with like this really nice, easy dish that's full of vegetables and tastes amazing. It's like the best way to get your family to eat more vegetables, I think. Time to eat. Woo! So good. Super easy to make, a real treat. Comes together in like 5 seconds on the hob. You saw it. You just need to have some kimchi on hand, but I will link to the video to show you how to make kimchi. It's dead simple. There's loads of videos too on YouTube as to how to do it. By no means is mine the most perfect. In fact, mine's probably like the least authentic. It's a great way to get loads of vitamins and nutrients and your sulfur-rich vegetables, and it's just absolutely delicious, and I friggin' love it.